Machiegni kendo. Nyasi mar odiechieng' mar dhialo jorit lee mag bunge kata World Rangers Day ne obagi e kar rito lee mag bunge ma Masai Mara. Gavana Patrick Ole Ntutu ne opoyo obila mar rito lee mag bungu kuom tich maber ma gitimo e odirani eri ma lee mag bunge mong'ere kaka wildebeest kata riwo dhi ng'ado aora Mara. Gavana Ntutu ne otiyo kod thuolono e puoyo jatend piny William Ruto kuom luwo chik kendo duoko kar rito lee ma Amboseli e kaunti ma Kajiado. Bende nochiwo mich ne obila matiyo matek kod mago moyudo hinyruok ka ginie yor tich koyangore kaka thuondi.
Not many like the previous years where we have overcrowding of the tourists in the migration corridors. We have been able to manage, and I want to thank the Rangers because they have done a very good job in terms of managing the number of vehicles that can approach the crossing. You have done me proud. I have been following up, and I've been getting a lot of good reports from the two agents. Even the guests themselves, they're really happy.
Let us ensure no Rangers walks alone in this mission. To our stakeholders and partners, support your Rangers. These are the conservancies around the ecosystem. To the public, stand with them. To the government, invest in their well-being. To our Rangers, hold your heads high. Your work matters more than words can express.
Mgeni inaweza tembea mahali yoyote. Hakuna mahali mgeni inaweza kuogopa kutembea. Community inaweza lala usiku mzima bila kuogopa ng'ombe na ibiwa. Na ile kazi askari nafanya kama ilikuwa sio sisi, hata Watanzania jirani yetu wangeumia zaidi. Sisi nafanya patrol hata kilomita 70-80 kuingia Tanzania. Hiyo uhusiano ni kitu ya maana sana.